Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check YouTube analytics in YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you want to understand your channel growth, see what's working, and improve your videos, this is the place you need to look. First, open YouTube in your browser and sign in to your account. Then click your profile picture and select YouTube Studio. Once you're inside the dashboard, click the Analytics tab from the left side menu. This is your main performance dashboard. Here in the Overview section, you'll see key stats like views, watch time, subscribers, and estimated revenue if your channel is monetized. Now go to the Content tab inside Analytics to see how each video is performing individually. Next, open the Audience section. This shows your returning viewers, new viewers, and when your audience is most active. If your channel is monetized, the Revenue tab shows how much you're earning and which videos generate income. For deeper insights, click Advanced Mode. This lets you filter data by date, geography, device type, and more. You can also compare multiple videos to see which content performs best in terms of views, watch time, and engagement. And checking analytics regularly helps you understand what your audience actually wants, so you can grow your channel faster. So that's how to check YouTube analytics in YouTube Studio in 2026. Once you understand these numbers, improving your channel becomes way easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.